Thank you so much for joining me today for this testimonial. I just wanted to ask you a few questions, okay?
Okay.
All right. So why did you go solar?
Our electric bills are outrageous. And I was tired of paying $400 a month to the electric company with it just continuing to go up in the future.
100%. So I'm
Yep.
aware you're in the middle of completing your process here, but
Yes.
for anyone watching out there, how would you say the setup has been so far?
So far, it's been really good. We had a slight delay on some panels that were broken, but they have gotten those here, and the guys are coming next week to finish putting them up. And then hopefully all we'll have to wait on is our electric company.
Amazing. So who's helped you so far in sales, and how have they been assisting you so far?
Mara, and she has been fantastic. I've really appreciated all the work she's done as far as getting right back to me with any questions I might have had. And she has just been great through the whole situation.
Perfect. Well, we definitely love to hear that. And I really appreciate your time today. I think you did an amazing job.
Well, thank you.